Hello, in front of me I've got Volvo S60. In this video I'll show you common problems and repair costs. Common issues on S60 II depend on engine and age, but there are some recurring themes. Frequent problems are engine, misfires, stalling, overheating, oil leaks from engine and turbo seals, some 4-5 cylinder units prone to heavy oil consumption if neglected. Transmission, occasional automatic gearbox issues and harsh shifts if fluid was not changed. Electronics, sensor failures, radar, ABS, infotainment glitches, AC faults and defective heated rear screen. Suspension and brakes, premature brake pad rotor wear and suspension bushings need replacement. Repair cost examples are brake pads plus discs all round, mid to high 4-figure, equivalent depending on brand. AC compressor or major leak fix can easily reach high 4-figure. Serious engine or transmission repair, potentially 5-figure. For used engine, gearbox swap. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.